Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2015 Cadillac Escalade Premium. On the front end of the vehicle we have full LED jewel-eye headlights. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 22-inch aluminum wheels, keyless entry, heated power folding mirrors with blind spot alert, and power running boards. On the back of the vehicle we have our park assist sensors as well as a power liftgate that gives us access to the 15.2 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands to up to 94.2 cubic feet thanks to the power folding second and third row seats. Moving to the inside of the vehicle we have a memory driver seat, a Bose audio sound system, as well as a heads-up display, automatic headlights with automatic high beams, and our automatic four-wheel drive controls. This Escalade is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as Husky all-weather floor liners. Also equipped is a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, adaptive cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. We also have push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and 360-degree backup camera. We have tri-zone climate controls for your comfort, as well as a wireless charging pad, and on the vehicle's key fob we have a remote start and entry buttons. Moving to the back of the vehicle we have our heated power folding second row captain's chairs, as well as third row seating that allows for seating for up to 7 people. Also equipped is a Blu-Ray player for added entertainment. And finally we have our rear climate controls.